Hello and welcome to moinframe. My name is Justus and today's quick tip is all about favicons or favicons. Well, did you know you can change the favicon of the panel? And not only that, you can even make it dynamic, for example, to distinguish between live and staging environments. That's pretty awesome, so let's have a look. So here in our folder called panel, we have two favicons, a blue one and a red one for live. And to put those into action, we added our config file. In here, we put the panel keyword. And under that, we say favicon. And here we put our path. So assets, panel, favicon minus live.svg. Save it and have a look at it in the browser. And here we are, we have our red production icon showing up on our panel side. So this is basically our default or live favicon in our direct config file. And for our test environment or staging environment, we will need to add a new config file to override this default. And you can rewrite all those options you set in the config file by adding a domain-specific config file. So in our environment, we are calling our staging domain, which is pretty handy. So we add a new file in config and call it config.our domain name, which is staging-domain.test. And we end it with a .php file. So this file will automatically be loaded when we are on the domain staging-domain.test. And it will be merged with the config file that is a default one. So in here we add the PHP tag, return or array, and set a new favicon with the parse of assets, panel, favicon minus f.svg. And you can see our blue icon popping up here. So this is our live domain and this is our staging domain. That was pretty easy, and in a blink of an eye we can distinguish the two tabs, staging and production. So cool. I hope you learned something and thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye!